In the last class, we have seen that what are different solids of revolution. So we have seen what are different solids of revolution. So these are the solids which are obtained by revolving some particular curve about some particular line, right? That particular line about which we rotate our curve is known as the axis of revolution. So this we have discussed in the previous class. So for example, in this figure, we have this as x-axis, this as y-axis, and our curve is basically this straight line which is not passing through origin. So when you revolve this straight line about this x-axis, so what will you obtain? You obtain this particular solid of revolution. So the next task is we are to find what is the volume for this particular solid of revolution. So for that, what we do, we identify what is the kind of solid that we have and what is its orientation. So how is it is oriented? For example, this one is oriented is oriented about x-axis. So that means it is symmetrical about x-axis. So this much portion is equivalent to this much portion. So let us see how can we compute the volumes. So in the first case, suppose your solid of revolution is obtained by rotating this curve y is equal to f of x. So this is the given curve, and we will rotate this curve about x-axis. So in that case, what is the volume between the points x is equal to a and x is equal to b? So that means this point x is the point x is equal to a, and this is the point x is equal to b, and they are saying we have this is the curve that is given to you, y is equal to f of x, and this is our usual x-axis, right? So this is the x-axis. So now they are saying what is the volume of this solid obtained by rotating this curve y is equal to f of x about x-axis. So clearly this is a frustum shaped solid. So here, what is the volume? The volume is obtained when you calculate the areas of all the disc of this kind, right? So you cut this frustum and you obtain the cross section area of this particular region. What is this area? This is nothing but this is this circle. So how do you obtain the area for this circle? The area of the circle is pi into radius square, right? This we all know, pi into radius square. And what is the radius here? So if you see, radius is this point. Radius is this distance from the center to this line, right? And what is this? This is the distance of the point through x-axis, and that is nothing but y-axis. So we have the area as pi y square of one disk. And how many such disks are available from moving from here to here? We have infinite number of such circles which would cover the whole volume of this particular solid. So the volume would be obtained by integrating this particular area of one disk about the whole x-axis. So you will then take the area of this particular disk, then this particular disk, and so on, every disk that is lying between this points A and B. So between these 2 points, our volume would be the summation of all these areas, and because the disk, they are very close to each other, so instead of summing them, instead of adding them, what we are doing, we are performing integration. So it is the integration from the points A to B, pi y square dx. So now note that the condition on f of x, your given curve, what kind of curve this could be. So this was the curve that was given to you. So what conditions are there on this curve? Firstly, the given curve, it should be continuous. That means you could draw it without picking up your pen. Then it should be single valued. That means no two branches of the curve should pass through that particular point in this particular region, closed interval a to b. And moreover, the curve should not cross the x-axis. So these are the conditions that are required for this to be the volume of the given solid of revolution. In the next case, we have the curve is given to be x is equal to f of y, and now we will rotate it about y-axis. So when you rotate this curve about y-axis, so you will have this kind of shape, right? What is the equation for this particular curve? The equation is x is equal to f of y. So when you cut this shape, so when you cut this
Ma'am,
particular,
can you repeat, please?
yes,
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.